Welcome back to Just a Minute, Just a Mishnah. This Mishnah is the Nishmas Freidale Basachan, the Schos Abadi Vitzchak Ben Gila, and the Frost Ser Basuva. So Mesachas Bav Metziah Perak Tes Mishnah Yod Mishnah Yod Aleph. Hamakabas Ad Mechaver LeShavua Echad Bishrama Isus. So if someone gets a field from his friend to take care of for 7 years, so the Mishnah says a week, but that means 7 years, and he's paying him, so he's renting the field and he's paying 700 zuz. Hashvius min minyan. So then the 7th year is counted, meaning he's paying for the 7 years as a whole. So then the 7th year is counted as part of the 7 years, and he doesn't get an extra year, even though obviously one of those 7 years will be Shemitah, where he's not allowed to work it. It's still considered part of the years. If he gets for 7 years, so then it's not considered part, and he gets an extra year. So what's the difference here? Even though it's a very similar sounding case, in the first case it was referred to as a whole, meaning a week of 7 years, whereas here it's 7 separate years. So because he's getting it for specifically 7 separate years, so then the year of Shemitah doesn't count. Mishnah Yod Aleph Schir Yom Gove Kol Halayla. If someone is working is working during the day, so then there's an avera, basically there's a mitzvah that you have to pay your worker the same day. So we're going to talk about that in this Mishnah. So if someone's a worker, so he worked during the day, so the whole night, so the owner has the person who the contractor, the person who hired him, he has the whole night to pay him up before it's considered an avera. Schir Laila go v'kol hayom. If the guy worked in the night, so then he has the whole day to pay. Schir Shais go v'kol Laila v'kol hayom. If he's only working for a certain amount of time during the day, or meaning let's say a couple of hours during the day or during the night, then he has until the end of that day or the end of that night. Schir Shabbos, if he's working for a week, Schir Chodesh, or for a month, Schir Shana for a year, Schir Shavua, or for 7 years, Yotza b'yayim go v'kol hayom. So if then he finishes that period of time during the day, so then Yotza b'yayim go v'kol hayom. So if he finishes that period of time during the day, so then he has until the end of the day. Yotza b'layla go v'kol hayla v'kol hayom. If he finished during the night, so then the person who hired him has the whole night and the next day to pay. And those are today's Mishnah.